you grow and succeed when you're the only one of your kind at the table? For many of us, we're the first one of our kind at the table. The first woman, the first person of color, the first LGBTQIA person. Or maybe we're the second or third of our kind at the table. But regardless, especially when you're the only one of your kind at the table, the effect is largely the same. It's intimidating and disorienting to be the only one that expresses themselves the way you are, or looks like you do, or shares the same perspective that you have, even when everyone else welcomes you and says they want you to succeed. As I discovered working for men my entire corporate career, no woman above me, being the first of your kind or the only of your kind can be a liability. To really claim your identity and point of view in settings like these, we really need role models who can show us what it looks like to expand the group's norms effectively. Without such role models, it's very easy to play small, compromise your authenticity, and second guess yourself. But when you're alone, you're alone. Here's my suggestion when you find yourself the only one of your kind at the table, without role models at hand. Challenge yourself to become the role model for others. Imagine the role model you want and then be them. You won't always get it right, but you'll rise to your higher potential and you'll create opportunity for others in your wake. What do you think? What's your go-to strategy when you're the one and only at the table? Leave your wisdom in comments below.